Hello, today we are going to discuss about the network troubleshooting command. As far we have discussed about the software tools, so here I am going to use these commands. Like the first command I am going to use is ifconfig command. Ifconfig. So ifconfig command is the interface configurator. So as we know that this command is used to display the IP addresses, the MAC addresses, or the various interfaces which is configured on our devices, and also their MTU size, that is maximum transmission unit size. So as I press enter, so it will show the various connections. So I will check where I am connected. So as I am connected to as I connected to EN0 connection, so here it is showing the MAC address of my device, that is 00:99. So this is the MAC address of my device, and the IPv6 of the device and IPv4 of the device 192.168.43.95 subnet mask broadcast. So these are the IP addresses and the MAC address configured on this device. So the other connection like showing EN1, EN2, so these are the inactive connection because we are not connected to these connections. So the next command which I am going to discuss is the ping command. So as I am typing ping, so as we know that this ping command is used to check the reachability or non-reachability of the devices. So it is used to test the connectivity between the two nodes. So as I am typing here ping /c, and I am mentioning here I want to check, I am only sending 5 packets to check the reachability of the device. So as I type the IP address of my own device 168.43.95. So as I press enter, so this will device will send the 5 packets to check the reachability, and it will reply these 5 packets. So as ping command sends the ICMP packets, and it take 0.172 milliseconds to reply these 5 packets. So here it's showing 5 packets are transmitted and 5 packets are received by the device, and there is 0% packet loss. So this system is reachable. So as I am checking the another system, like I want to check the Google router's reachability. So I am typing google.com and press enter. So after sending 5 packets, it will give the reply. So I have sent the 5 packet to the Google router, and my device received these 5 packets, and there is 0.0% packet loss. This is also so this shows that this is also a reachable device. The next is I am going to use the ping command for the unreachable system. Like I am typing 192.168.1.2. so this shows that there is a request timeout because the system is not giving the reply to these packets. So there is request timeout for this unreachable system. So this is show that the 5 packets are transmitted to the device, and there is 0 packet received from the device, and this is 100% low. So this shows that this is a unreachable system. So the next command we are going to discuss is traceroute command. So here we know that traceroute command is used to display number of hops taken to reach destination, and also is determine the packet traveling path. So how our packet travel the different path to reach the destination. So here I am checking the route of my own device. So 168.43.95. So this will take a 0.422 millisecond to reply this packet to check the trace route of my own device. So I am now checking the trace route of google.com router. So I am typing google.com. So as the router is far away, so this will take a time to give the reply of this command. like the first router which is reached by the command is 192.168.43.1, which is my on device router. The next, so this will take 12 hops to go to reach up to the Google routers. So this is the trace route for the Google router. The next command which we are using is the netstat command. So the netstat command, so as we know that this command is used to display the connection information and the routing table. So as I'm going to this command, so this will display all the TCP UDP ports where these connections are established, or they are in close wait, or they are connected, or they are in listening. So it will show all the connected ports or the open ports on the device. The next command, netstat/r, which is used to display the routing table. So it shows the routing table or the active routes of IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. So this is for IPv6 address and this is for IPv4 addresses. So this is showing their gateways, their flags, their references and their destination addresses, and same way it is showing for the IPv6 addresses. So this is taking some time to trace the route of IPv6 addresses. So here it done up with this. So it's showing the routing table of IPv4 and the IPv6. So if we only want to know the TCP port, so we will type T for only TCP ports. So here it's showing only TCP ports which are open on this device. So the next command which we are going to discuss is dig command. So this dig command is used to query the DNS related information. So here we are using the dig command and typing www. So it will give the IP addresses of the various routers of Google. So it is used to only troubleshoot the DNS query related information. So same way we are using NS lookup command, which is also used for the same purpose. So this command will give the IP addresses of the various routers of Google, and same way if we use for the .yahoo.com, so it will give the IP addresses of the Yahoo routers. So this command, dig command and NS lookup is similar, and they only gives the IP addresses of the various websites. The next command which we are going to discuss is the host name. So as I am typing host name here, so it will give the name of my on device, that is Telcoma MBP. So this is all about the network